Put yourself in my position, under constant harassment, and see how you feel. But love showed me what's real, what's true. Because if you weren't here, I'd be desperately missing you. And so the answer, my love, is to bless them that curse you. Mess with the wizard, get the blizzard of love. Maybe kinda scary, cause you thought I was barely even able to defend myself against you. But I'm gonna show you what's true. Mess with the wizard, get the blizzard of love. Raw intelligence, psychodynamics, mental forensics, data intelligence, building planets, automation, to the power of X, constraints burn through them, autism, savant syndrome, ultradian rhythm. Mess with the wizard, get the blizzard.